Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And this is how to use Locket Widget with friends. So first thing what you will do is open up the Locket application into your device. So now from here guys, as you can see, when I tap on the big circle at the middle, as you can see, we need to try adding a friend first before we can take a picture. So just simply select add friends. And now from here, guys, you could just simply go ahead and share the link to your friend, and you will have here third party applications, or you could just simply select others to just copy the link. And from here, just simply send it to the person that you want to invite with and select copy. And once they have clicked the link, they have to sign in into their account and download the application into their device. And once it is done, you will have a friend request something like this, and you have to select accept once your friend did sign in. And now, once you have selected accept, as you can see, we could now use the screenshot. And from here, we could just simply tap to the friend that we have. And from here, automatically, our friend will receive a photo of the picture that we sent to. And there you go. And after that, your friend can also do that where he can take a picture and automatically it will be added into your widget as well, like here. There you go. See ya.